Top 5 tips that can help you score full marks in your creative writing. Tip 1. Identify the type of creative writing question like story writing, descriptive writing, picture stimulus, etc. Tip 2. Create a plan with a focus on the beginning, middle and end to help you structure your answer. Tip 3. Make your creative writing interesting by using high-level vocabulary and literary devices. Tip 4. Use 5 senses like smell, see, sound, touch and taste to describe your characters, place or thing. Tip 5. The correct usage of spelling, grammar and high level of punctuation is crucial to improve the overall quality of your writing. Get more than 95% in your creative writing questions. Use the free creative writing checklist provided by PiAcademy. Download the checklist using the link given in the description.